Hi everyone, this is Ziad from the Tech Channel and welcome back to this new video. Today I will be talking about really a major problem with Nvidia card driver, because every maybe a while they release a new driver for them cards. I have GTX 970, and once upon time I had a friend by me at home and he started actually asking me, why is the color on your screen like that? I said, what the hell? Well, what is the matter with the color? He said, there is a difference in the color of the pixels. I said, I really never noticed that. He said, you can check it. So I was going just like, just be so like just an inch far away from the screen, from the monitor, to notice the difference in the color, in really just a small difference in just some letters on some photos. So my driver card, I install it for games, but since also they release a Nvidia Studio driver, so now you can, of course, if you have in GTX or RTX, you can choose between them which one you want to install, the Nvidia driver game or the one it supports Studio or Creator. Today I was also looking at the monitor, so I noticed also the same problem. But I want really just to share this information about you. Maybe you have it, but you never notice it. So just check on the monitor or see if you have a different in pixels. For me, the monitor I have, just to know, it's an Asus. I will just write the number, the full number of it, but it's cost me €600 when I bought it like from 4 months ago, and it's really super amazing monitor. I really enjoy it, and it's really you have really like 6 modes you can change between them for more accurate color, for a cinema mode, for FPS, for RGB, and I have really a different choices and a different mood. I can just jump between it. So as you see maybe on the screen, where is the difference? Where is maybe the change in the color of the just the letters, the icons on the monitor? So if you don't notice it, I really notice it, but it's also difficult to bring it on the camera. So if you have this problem, just go directly to Nvidia Experience driver and update the driver card. Get the new driver, and you don't even need to restart your computer to get the new update. Maybe before that, before maybe 2009, when you install any kind of driver, so you need actually to just restart the computer to go be active or to get more results. But now you don't have to. You can now notice the difference after I just install it and finish install it. But for me now, I really don't play a lot much, so it's maybe better for me just to install the driver for Studio, Nvidia, the Studio driver. I really don't know if this also problem existing in Nvidia Studio driver, but if it is, so I will write about it in the description below or in the comment, like just to be noticed about that. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have the same problem, please let me know in the comment. And did you notice it before? Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.